Download the VPK file in the description of this video and place it in a folder called addons within your CSGO directory shown here. Done. The mod is now installed. Once you start CSGO with this mod installed, a file called addonlist.txt is created. If you ever want to deactivate the mod, just open that file and change the 1 next to the mod to a 0. There's no need to swap the files around as you had to with the original version. This should make the mod easier to use for players and server owners alike. Easy, easy, easy.